Hello, my friend, I am Dr. Mohammed Shitu, the MSCOO7 version. Welcome to Entertainment Science as a creation of creator. I wanted to learn every branch of science and take flavor every branch of science. What creator things they do, that is but that is knowledge, that is this and that is result, that is an art. I was in yellow is the one of the creators, so the one of the Now, what is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence. Science is anything, any matter, any event, any occurrence, any problem can solve by logic, document, database, mathematics, calculation, with program, with experiment. That is science. How much branch of science? For example, in case of creation science, creation space and time. In case of creation energy, physics. In case of atom, chemistry. In case of prokaryotic cell, microbiology or virus, bacteria. Virology, bacteriology, prokaryotic cell. In case of tree, botany. In case of animal, zoology. In case of human, Homo sapiens, medical science. In case of other creation like gene sapiens, gene science. In case of other creation like angel sapiens, angel science. In case of blue sapiens, other creation like blue sapiens science. In case of me, Shoy sapiens science. In case of my MSF science. In case of my code name, soil science. In case of my MSF, their code name, their name, science. Creation science, but their MSF science. Or in case of MSF, the MSF by their name, science. In case of creator loving creation. In case of creation like creator loving creation, their science. Constant creator loving creation science. So I say constant mothers. I say them constant mother. Their science. In case of their individual name, their science. By the name. In case of creator science. And creator science remaining creator real thing. Especially creator real life, real cell or real superglue, real hierarchical or inhierarchical, real DNA, in DNA creator real codon, in codon creator real thinking. If describe about creator human development, all the human go to the all dimension. For understanding, creator go to the all dimension. Past, present, future, constant. Now we elaborated about the theory of everything, zero something, theory of nothing, also equal to ma. Now E proportionate to m. What is the E? E mean energy, m mean mass. If atom is micrometer, atom should have mass. What is the mass? Component of atom. Mass of atom depending component of atom, like electron, proton, neutron. In case of prokaryotic cell lies virus, bacteria is usually micrometer. In case of by the basis of similarity to atom, prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria should have mass. They are component. In case of bacteria, plasmid, cell membrane, flagella. In case of virus, by the basis of similarity of atom, virus is usually nanometer. In case of nanometer, they have also mass. What mass? They have also DNA. In case of DNA virus, DNA. In case of RNA virus, RNA. In case of tree cell, and in case of virus, bacteria have atom have mass. So prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria, eukaryotic cell like tree, and eukaryotic cell like animal like human. Everybody should have mass. In case of atom, atomic component. In case of prokaryotic, like virus, bacteria, their component. In case of eukaryotic cell like tree, in case of their cellular component. In case of eukaryotic cell like animal, their cellular component. In case of Homo sapiens, their cellular component. In case of me, soil sapien, also I have mass. My soil unit is called soil cellular component, like that. E proportionate to mass on generally. On generally, human cell equal more or less same. If mass is increased, then energy also increase. Is on general. If mass is decreased, then energy also decrease. For example, hydrogen atom. If hydrogen H plus, you go to the H plus, H1 plus, then one electron is lost, ionized, not stable atom, ionized atom. The one component, like one in case of hydrogen atom, one electron, proton, neutron. If one electron missing, then one plus positive charge, then E proportional to mass. So if any component, atomic particle missing, ionized, the mass is reduced. If mass is reduced, energy also reduced. Now you go to the S minus. In case of S minus, there is outer orbit adding other electron. So component of atom and negative charge. In case of stable hydrogen atom, one electron, proton, neutron with atomic life, that is neutral charge. If positive, one electron missing. If negative, one electron added. Now negative charge. So atomic component also increase, so mass also increase, energy also increase. If atomic component increase, like electron, proton, neutron, then mass also increase, energy also increase. If atomic component like electron, proton, neutron decrease, then mass also decrease, energy also decrease on general. Now you go to the H plus hydrogen atom to 92 atom, uranium, also plutonium, also diamond, also silver, also bronze, also carbon, any atom on general. Then you go to the other atom in atomic table, 118 type of atom, equal more or less, still now discovered. Then you go to the not only 100 of 118, but also any atom, what create by the law of atom, by the law of chemistry, every atom should have criteria. What criteria? Electron, proton, neutron. In case of stable atom, inner nucleus case, outer on orbit, outer inner nucleus case, outer case. Inner case contain neutron, proton, outer case in orbit electron. What create in case of first atom to last atom, same rules on general. If stable atom, not ionized atom. And how much created that much? If create first atom, by that rules, if go to the 120 lakh atom, in case of 120 lakh atom, imaginary, 120 lakh electron, proton, neutron, also atomic cloud. So my friend supporter, today is enough from science class. I am Dr. Momo Shojudri, MSCOO7 version. For example, Z version. As per I know, Allah knows best, not only best, but so thank you very much, my friend supporter. Today is enough from science class. If you have any question, write down in my comment box. And you see that it come from the latitude H1b. What I say, what lecture I say, you see that it come from the left side, right side, not left side, not left side. Also any human in latitude machine, what I say about creator and creation, if come from left side, if come from left side, then not. If come from not left side, not right side, then that may be. If come from right side, that right. Because if you tell lie, signal come from the left side of the brain. If you tell truth, that signal come from the right side of the brain in latitude machine. So by that formula you know that in case of in my lecture it is gossip, false, or literature, or science, or philosophy, or science, or modern science. You can understand that. That is age of modern science, you can understand that. Not by word. In case of science, need document evidence, logic, document evidence, database, mathematics, calculation, with proven, with experiment. By experiment you can, by proven. If come from right, that is proof. Thank you very much, my friend, for supporter. Today is enough from science class. Also in case of your thesis theory, also those are the scientists, world famous scientists, their thesis, their theory you can understand that by that machine, DNA test latitude machine. Understand? I think better understand. Thank you very much, my friend, for supporter. Today is enough. And in case of H1b, those are the scientific establishment in the world. You should have chance to check that. I give right them, and I give right them, and not only them but also all human. Those are know that honest and believe one and only creator. Those are not believe one and only creator, they also should have right. And those are believe more than one creator, they should have right. Understand? Why? Creator is one and only, constantly constant, proof by logic, document, database, mathematical calculation, with proven, with experiment, by all creation. Not only all creation, but also creator everything. For example, creator real life, creator real cell or supreme loop, creator new organelle, creator magnifying hair follicle, in magnifying hair follicle, creator node DNA. In node DNA there is infinity node. Infinity node, and infinity node there is a node thinking, and create a real vacuum. In node thinking there is a real vacuum. In the real vacuum, centrally withdraw energy, or centrally vacuum, peripherally energy, and create a real energy go to all dimension. Real dimension. By all dimension, one and only creator can create all creation, can change, can create, can control, and destroy all creation forever. Constant. Proof. I say proof. Now you check by DNA test like digital machine. And in case of H1b, not only H1b but also many human. Not only human but also gene. Not only gene but also engine. Not only engine but also more sapiens. If not come from the right side, write down my comment box. I will correct that. No problem. Thank you very much, my friend. That is the proof that I am also creation. I not know everything. My one and only creator know everything. By read and as a creation, Mohammed Shoaib Choudhury as a creation, and Mohammed Shoaib Choudhury. I am representative of Mohammed Shoaib Choudhury, MSCOO7 version. By read and write, I learned something. Something is better than nothing. About creator, about one and only creator, also creation. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only creator, except Allah, last English. Thank you very much, my friends, to this from science class.